there's a concept in marketing called ZMOT. So that's called zero moment of truth. Now, what it says is, olden days when somebody got an opportunity, he would listen to the recruiter very intently, and after that he will go and apply, and then he will listen to the hiring manager. So most of the time data gathering happens through the company, and that is why PR was very important. But today, because of the ZMOT concept, what is happening is, once a person listens to a recruiter, he is not actually listening to the recruiter. He is just understanding what is the opportunity there, and then he will go on Facebook and ask his friends, how is that company? How is this job? How is this, I would like to give an example. There is a very large investment banking firm in Bangalore. It's so reputed for a person who is not in this industry, not in that, in the top companies in investment banking. But if you go to the competition companies in investment banking, top company, nobody wants to work for this company. I mean, not many wants to work for this company, because they believe that this particular company is controlled by US, in a very tight fashion. Now, how does this information get disseminated? I mean, this information is available through friends, and friends are talking here. And how do you connect with friends? Typically, as a normal person, I'll be able to remember 10 of my friends who work for a particular company. But if I want to find how many of my friends or network works for a particular company, chances are less that I will remember at the right opportune time. So today what's happening is, I can go to LinkedIn and immediately find out, there are 2 people who are working there, and I can get first-hand experience about working in that company from these 2 people.